Welcome to the channel. This channel reviews all brands. Let's take a look at today's car. The Volkswagen ID.Polo 2026 marks VW's entry into the compact electric car segment with a fully battery electric hatchback built on the updated MEB platform, designed for efficiency, space, and everyday usability. Scheduled for a market launch in autumn 2026 after a world premiere in spring 2026, it represents a new direction for Volkswagen by merging the familiar Polo name with modern EV technology. At launch, the ID.Polo will be offered with multiple power outputs including approximately 85 kilowatts, 116 horsepower, 99 kilowatts, 135 horsepower, and 155 kilowatts, 211 horsepower, and later in sportier GTI form with about 166 kilowatts, 226 horsepower. Depending on battery choice, a smaller 37 kilowatt-hours LFP unit or a larger 52 kilowatt-hour NMC pack, WLTP-certified range is expected to reach up to 450 km, 280 mph. DC fast charging is supported, up to 130 kW, helping reduce charging time substantially on long trips. The ID.Polo's front-wheel drive layout and compact dimensions make it ideal for urban and suburban environments, while the MEB architecture creates a surprisingly spacious interior with generous 435 L of trunk space, expandable when rear seats are folded. A modern digital cockpit with a 10.25 driver display and 13 infotainment screen is expected, featuring advanced driver assist systems like Travel Assist and 360 degrees area view. Pricing is set to be competitive, with entry models planned below €25,000, $27,500 USD, though early production versions may debut at slightly higher price points depending on battery configuration and market specifics. Overall, the ID.Polo 2026 aims to deliver accessible electric mobility with strong practicality, appealing tech, and solid driving range for daily use.